Hey guys, and welcome to day one of our bus build, where we are turning this Mitsubishi Rosa into our home on wheels. This is our second build. We have done a Mercedes Sprinter before, but whilst there are a lot of similarities, a bus and a van are slightly different, especially in this beginning phase. So in today's episode, we ripped out all of our seats and started to rip out our flooring. That's where we came into a little bit of trouble because it is glued down, like it's really glued down. But anyway, we managed to get about a quarter of it up and have a look at the chassis, make sure there was no rust. Everything's in great condition, which is a good sign. And we finished the day by laying out our mock-up of our floor plan. It is not like a finalized floor plan yet, but everything fits really well. I'm super pumped to get started. So make sure you guys follow along if you want to follow our build. We plan to have this thing pretty close to being finished within a month to 2 months time. So it's going to be a fast build and I can't wait to take you guys along, but come check out what Demolition Day looked like.